What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So now that Apple has dropped the release candidate, or RC, for iOS 18.4, it's time to start looking forward at 18.5 and talk about when we might get that first beta. So, having said that, if you weren't aware, just the other day, Apple did drop 18.4 RC, and the final build number there is 22E239. I probably even shouldn't say final beta because technically we are only in March still, and they did confirm, they being Apple, said we will receive this beta at the beginning of April. So, provided there's no other hiccups or anything like that, we could still possibly get an RC2 coming on the 31st of March rather than the public release, which typically comes a week after an RC is. Now, I still think that's probably more possible, or Apple could still wait until April 7th to fulfill that April or beginning of April launch window. Now, having said that, if we do get the actual public release of 18.4 on the 7th, you can safely assume that 18.5 could possibly drop the same day or the very next day on the 8th. If Apple seems to want to push up their timelines and release this in March instead of April, it is very possible that we get the public release of 18.4 on March 31st, and then April 1st, we should receive 18.5. Now, a couple callouts in regards to 18.5 here. What we are anticipating is more Apple Intelligence features with series changes and a smarter Siri. However, we know that most of the major personalized Siri changes that should be coming, or should have been coming in 18.4, has been postponed indefinitely, probably until next year, as Apple reevaluates their approach due to some of their issues they're getting. That's not to say we won't be receiving some sort of new Apple Intelligence features in 18.5. One of the big ones that we're hoping to get, and I'm going to lock this phone, and I say big ones, that just tells you where we're at with iOS right now, but that is battery intelligence. What that's going to do is when you actually plug in your device and it begins to charge, you will get a much cleaner look and notification at the bottom letting you know how long there is left to charge your device. We have a third-party app, not really a third-party app, it was a configured app with shortcuts that tells you that right now, so you can see it says battery is fully charged. But we will expect a much cleaner UI and update with that, and hopefully that's not going to be on hold till iOS 19. Hopefully that will come in 18.5. One other thing that I'm hoping comes along is obviously always better battery life and better performance, but I will say 18.4 did not disappoint in that department. One other thing that we could always get are some updates to writing tools. They could tweak that. We could get a new style as far as that goes with Image Playground. Unfortunately, I still think this is kind of gimmicky and not necessarily the best out there, but some people like messing with this. We just got Sketch Style here in 18.4. There could be some new ones added. However, Apple has not discussed anything about that quite yet. Beyond that, also, we know we just got new emojis, so those won't be coming. We shouldn't see anything of that nature, but we could obviously always get some surprises. Always performance improvements are what should be coming here, and hopefully it doesn't introduce any further bugs. So really, just wanted to let you know when you could expect 18.5. Hopefully we will get some new features there. And then while we're discussing this, I do want to talk about WatchOS 11.5 as well. As we know, and as has been the case for quite some time with WatchOS, if you don't follow our channel, we've been talking about it. It has been very stagnant, and yes, it works very well, but it's at that point where it's almost boring. So hopefully, at the very least, we do get some new watch faces with that build. I still would not anticipate getting any sort of Apple Intelligence features here. You're still just going to be stuck with, I'll say silly, dumb Siri, but aside from that, as we know, Apple Intelligence and Apple itself has not said Apple Intelligence is coming to the Apple Watch. So it still's kind of where it is and kind of how it's been, stagnant for a while now, but we'll see. Still always hoping for something, even if it's just new watch faces. I know a lot of people that have the Series 10 are hoping for some other watch faces that takes advantage of that AOD that refreshes regularly. So on the standby screen, you can see the second hand counting. But again, we truly just don't know quite yet what we can be anticipating there. So that's it for this one, guys. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think? What are you hoping for 18.5 and even iOS 19 that will be announced and shown off in June? We're only one person. Love to hear your feedback, but we are excited for what iOS 19 looks like, taking cues from Vision OS and kind of refreshing a new fresh coat of paint on iOS. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.